Hello, welcome to Temstar. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a modern WordPress website using AI. At the end of this tutorial, you get a domain name, you will activate your hosting account, and you will create your own website. If you are really interested in setting up your website along with me, you need the following. You need a domain name that is your identity on the web. You either use the one you have already, or you could buy a new one from us. This domain name could be your brand name, your business name, or any name you like. You also need a brief description of your business. Please write a small description of your business. Who are you? Who do you serve? Where are you located? Why are you in business? What products or services do you offer? If you want to use your logo, please get one ready. Now, we are about to begin the journey. Open your browser and visit www.temstar.com. Here, you get yourself a domain and hosting account. Temstar.com, just click on Get Started. If you have a domain name, select I will use my existing domain. You can also transfer your domain to us. That will involve some further steps, which are not covered in this video. But if you want to do that, you can get across to us. If you don't have a domain name, that's okay. Just choose Register a new domain. Here, you need to type the domain name you want and click on Check. You need to check availability. Is it available? If it's not available, change the name until you find yourself one. When you have an available domain name, click on Add to Cart so that you can add the domain name to your shopping cart. Scroll down and click Continue. On this page, you can change your billing cycle to yearly or monthly. If you have done that, just click Continue. Yes, in this page, if you have any coupon code, we may have some coupons for you. Follow us on social media. We occasionally give out some coupons for 20%, 50%, even 60% discounts. Watch out for those. Type your coupon code and click Validate Code. You will see the discount reflect on the amount due. Now, you can click on Checkout. Fill in the checkout form with correct information. Confirm you are not a bot, and please use a strong password. Then, you will be taken to a payment page. When you click on Complete Order, our payment is powered by Paystack, a secure and reliable payment gateway. By the way, if you want to be able to collect money securely on your website, contact us for payment gateway integration. After other confirmation, you will receive a confirmation number. Reference this number whenever you reach out to our support desk. Please click on Continue to Client Area. Here, you will find details about your services, the services you are subscribed to, your domain, tickets, and invoices. You have to click on your service. In this case, Managed WordPress, click on it, and then click Login to Plesk. Plesk is a control panel where you will manage your websites. On your control panel, select WordPress tab and click on Login. It's really getting interesting. You should see something like this, where you have to provide a few information about your website. Maybe you have done this before, or somehow you find yourself on the dashboard. On your dashboard, point at Appearance and click on AI Builder. Now, you should be ready to provide information about your business. Give your information. First name of the website. This can be your business name, or your brand name, or any other name you want to call your website. For me, I choose Whitebeam Dental Care. That looks good. Now, select the appropriate category for your business. What's this website about? Just select one of the categories, or you can search for one that suits you. Fashion, lawyer, barbershop, accountants, whatever, online store, or any other appropriate categories. You can also select your language. By default, it's English, but you can add other languages like French, German, or Spanish. Next, you have to describe your business. Write clearly about your business. Who are you? Where are you located? Who do you serve? What product or services do you offer? For me, you can see my business description. Please write yours and don't forget to improve it by clicking on Improve with AI and click Continue afterwards. Next, you have to give your contact details, provide your email address, your phone number, your physical address, just as you want it to appear on your website. Then, you have to add your social media account, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. Click Continue. The next task is to select relevant images. Look through the images. You can change the keywords to get some nice images to use. It is also possible to upload your own images. Just select as many as you want. And continue. It's getting more interesting. Now you have to select the preferred structure for your website. You may also upload the site logo at this point, change the color palette, and many other modifications. Continue. Here you can select some additional features like payments, automation, and integrations. But for now, we are going to just stay with the default. Let the magic start. AI is creating your website. If you want to receive payment on your website, or you want people to book appointments on your website, watch out for my next video about how to get it done. Now is a good time to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified whenever another video is released. Wow! Your website is ready. Let's see the website. Cool! You have just set up a brand new website and you've given it a cool domain name. Now, a domain name is like the address for your website. But before people around the world can visit your new site, this address needs to be added to a giant global address book called the Domain Name System, or DNS for short. Think of the DNS as a bunch of address books located all over the world. Each of these books needs to know where to find your website, just like every mailman needs to know where to deliver your letters. When you first create your domain, your new address needs to be copied into all these address books. This process is called domain propagation. But here's the catch. These updates don't happen instantly. It can take a little time, usually between a few hours and up to 48 hours. If your website is not reachable, take a break and continue after a few hours. In case you encounter 404 error when you click on any link, you may have to do this. Point to the website name at the top left corner and click on Dashboard. On the dashboard, you go to Settings and click Permalinks. Make sure you select Custom Structure as shown here. Select this, make sure it's exactly like this, and save your changes. That's it. Your website is ready to receive visitors. If you follow through to get to this point, feel free to share your website in the comment section and also on our Facebook page or on X. I can't wait to see what you built. Thank you.